Hey everyone, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment, and this is your market analysis for December 18th, 2010. Okay, last week I mentioned that we can probably get some kind of a pullback or consolidation, and we more or less got that. It wasn't exactly a deep pullback, but it still consolidated a bit, just to enough for the stochastic to kind of come out of overbought. You can see that the buyers are continuing to buy the dips, even though we have just a little bit of a dip. They still came in and snatched up price stocks. So that's a pretty strong indication. It's a pretty bullish indication, knowing that prices are holding up near the high area. Most likely, we will probably get a small rally, or at least the market can probably drift higher until the end of the year. Next week is going to be short as well as the week after that. So volume you can expect to be low, and I probably won't expect too much volatility going into the next 2 weeks. If, however, we do get more selling coming into the market, maybe a retest of this 123, 122 and a half area, or the 20-day moving average. So don't be surprised if that happens. But nonetheless, I expect the market to at least kind of drift a little bit higher, at least to finish the year pretty strongly. Okay, let's go into the VIX real fast. Now VIX kind of broke down on Friday, which is good for bullishness, but again, if it's too bullish, that can be a contrarian sign. Okay, that can be used as a clue. I mentioned to be very careful if the VIX ever dropped back to this previous April high, which we are very close to. If it happens to drift any lower, then that means the market's too bullish, and that could be a bad sign. So keep an eye on the VIX. It continues to break down a little bit lower, but if it breaks underneath 15, then that means there's too much buyers leaning towards one side.